This episode focuses on a number of important topics, including inflows in the Ripple stablecoin. Because it is set to go live tomorrow, we might have been able to meet XRP and make some progress, but before we do that, let's discuss the effects that the stablecoin will have with regard to the situation. What exactly is meant by the term stablecoin? I would like to know how the XRP ledger operates, as well as the functions that the XRP stablecoin will have going forward. Do you think it will cover all of these different deals? What is the name of the person who is listing it? Yes, we will discuss that in the future. Everyone is aware of it. There will be plenty more ones in the near future. Absolutely incredible is the word triple. In a later time, Project PAX shared with us some significant information. I am going to make sure that you are aware of it and that you are informed about it, regardless of how familiar you are with it. There is no denying the fact that the LUSD money is on the line. This is my viewpoint. Instead than going through all of the tedious details, I'm going to jump right into Bitcoin. Compared to the previous day, the price of Bitcoin has increased by 2.87%, and it is currently at $6,196. Ethereum's price has increased by 3.63%, reaching $4,041 as of today. At the moment, the price of XRP is $245. Having said that, within my limited vision, I may have seen a glimpse of it being $250 earlier today, which is a little higher than it actually is. Each of the currencies, USDT and USDC, has hit 99C at this point. At the time of today's video, the USDT was trading stronger than $1. Is this something that you consider to be an indication that money has been invested in the markets? As soon as the price of the stablecoin rises above $1, the funds will immediately flood the markets in accordance with the value cycle that they were initially designed for. Despite the fact that I began investing in cryptocurrencies in 2017, this pattern has continued, and the total market value of all cryptocurrencies is currently $3,756 million. Maintain a constructive mindset. The company's revenues are increasing, and the outlook for the future appears to be positive. Cardano is currently trading at $218, which is slightly more than $1. Unfortunately, Polkadot's poor performance can be attributed to our objective of increasing the AG threshold by $0.28. ARB's return to the market is a hopeful development. Soon ICP will be available for purchase at a price of $12. This time, I am very serious about it. Let me go ahead and carry it out. The current price of ANDO remains stable between $42 and more than $2, despite the fact that we anticipate it will reach $1 to $3 in the year 2025. The fact that Gale is on track to surpass EOS at its current price of $0.05 is something that I did not know before. With 34 other people around, you should exercise extreme caution because anything you touch will cause it to explode. One may claim that it is a cryptocurrency. The sentiment is optimistic. The amount of money invested in cryptocurrencies has reached approximately $4 billion. The cryptocurrency that is the most widely used is Ethereum. The previous record for Bitcoin inflows, which had been achieved just a week earlier, was reportedly broken by the new record, which reached a record high of $3.85 billion. Bitcoin received $2.5 billion last week, boosting its total 2017 inflow to an astonishing $36.5 billion. It's ridiculous, to state the obvious. Just so you are aware, it is alt season, and a lot of people want you to know that. It is in no way old. I don't understand why there has never been a season for Bitcoin. When will the start of your alternate season be? Due to the fact that Bitcoin is currently at the forefront of the current flood, it is evident that it frequently arrives first. However, what is the future of Bitcoin? We will shortly be within that range. That is correct. In light of what I've already mentioned, I believe that we ought to return to the primary website of Livecoin Watch. There is a decrease in price to $107–115. As you can see, acquiring $150,000 overnight is certainly going to take a long. Thanks to Smoke Dog, this is now available to us. He claims that RLUSD and Project PAX will begin at the same time. 3 of Japan's top banks are spearheading the stablecoin movement. Since these companies have connected their traditional and blockchain-based financial systems to a Lightning network, they are now able to take advantage of Ripple's capabilities. The first showing of Project PAX is scheduled to take place in the year 2025, just 2 weeks from now. Are you conscious of this fact? Please forgive me, but the more straightforward approach would be to connect the Ripple stablecoin to the SWIFT network by way of the XRP leg. The XRP ledger will make it possible for Ripple's digital assets, including RLUSD and other digital assets, to operate on the SWIFT network. These are the constituent parts. Your project package was not distributed to the three largest banks in Japan, which are BC, SMB, and MUFG. You failed to notify them about its release. Utilizing Swift's API framework, this project will guarantee efficiency and comply to the objective of commercializing the platform by 2025. Three of Japan's top banks joined the Japan Bank Codium utilizing Ripple, as we previously reported. On the other hand, that being said, why would each and every user of stablecoin feel this? The stablecoin can be thought of as a component of the XRP cryptocurrency. When a stablecoin is introduced to the XRP ledger, in order to participate in these significant events, it utilizes XRP. The chiefs of the Saudi Arabian Monetary Authority, the Bank for International Settlements, and the International Monetary Fund were presumably cautious to deploy a digital asset when Brad Garling was there, despite the fact that they were aware of how quickly it works. Even in the absence of severe slippage, a stablecoin would be able to provide the necessary additional security. If we make an attempt to transfer millions of dollars and the price drops even slightly, we run the danger of losing a significant sum of money. This will, as a consequence, guarantee that prices will continue to be stable. After the stablecoin became online, what would happen if digital assets started to be registered on the XRP ledger? We do not experience volatility because we have faith that Ripple will consistently top out the stablecoin with dollars from the United States. What are your thoughts and opinions? Do you agree with that? It is quite clear that neither of these things exists. It blows my mind. I do not believe that you are capable of dealing with the remarkable when it is shown to you. It is the year 2025, and due to the fact that that year is partially similar to you, what may we anticipate as a result of it now? Furthermore, we are aware of the individuals who are actually supporting XRP and Ripple, in addition to having the technical aspects under control. Those individuals who were previously opposed to XRP will suddenly be in favor of it and will boast that they previously warned you that its value would skyrocket dramatically. Consequently, this will result in an even bigger level of excitement on Twitter when XRP begins to rise once more breaks and reaches a new benchmark. It is possible that some individuals who have been critical of XRP for a considerable amount of time would suddenly change their minds and pretend to have been the ones who predicted its success. They made a transparent declaration by displaying the XRP ledger and saying, hey, take into consideration that Apple Pay is a legitimate method for purchasing RLUSD. Both MoonPay and Venmo are related to one another. It has been claimed that Venmo purchased Ripple stablecoin more than a month ago by utilizing Apple Pay, which is comparable to Hello Mini. David Schwartz issued a warning yesterday stating that the prospect of arbitrage makes it dangerous to purchase RLUSD at a price lower than $1. Although there are opportunities, the price will eventually reach a level that is more stable. Never spend more than $1 on RLUSD if you intend to acquire it dishonestly and subsequently sell it for $2, $3, $3, $4, or $5 or $5 instead. Even if it is currently less than $1, you will still be in the black because it will eventually reach $1. Nevertheless, you should wait until you are certain before purchasing a Ripple stablecoin as a precaution, assuming that the cost is $2, $3, or $4. Avoiding an investment of $500 because it has the potential to result in significant losses is a prudent course of action. The digital currency in question can be relied upon. The cost is $1. $1 serves as the unit of measurement in this context. Would it be possible